Lance, what can people expect when they come to Truth Books or CEI Bookstore?
Well, Mark, we hope when you walk in the doors here, number one, you'll be greeted with a welcoming storefront and welcoming people. We pride ourselves on having great customer service and being sure that we take care of everyone as we would want to be taking care of ourselves. And so that's number one. But also, top of the industry selection. We have everything that you really could imagine that you might need, whether you be an individual looking to study, whether you be a teacher that's getting ready for a class, a preacher that's trying to expand his library, or if it's a congregation that needs supplies and maybe multiple things to take care of, classes and so forth, or vacation Bible school, gospel meetings, whatever it may be. And we just really want to try to be everything we can be, to the market. And I believe that when you walk in the door here, you'll see that's what we're striving for, to give great customer service, great selection, and to be able to know that you can trust not only the people that are involved, but to be able to trust the material that we're providing.
Well, thank you, Lance. And I know from a personal experience, whenever Sherilyn or I call the bookstore or come inside the store itself, it's always a pleasant experience. You have you embody Southern hospitality and graciousness. I appreciate the efforts of all that are involved in this effort.